Okay, we've made it to Sual. We just got off the scooter. Took a ride down here from Alamino City. You can check out the motovlog on that if you want. We just made that. And now we're in Sual. Gonna kind of do a little walk around. See what this place is like. We've driven through here many times on the bus and then the UV Express van, all that good stuff, but we've never actually got out and walked around. We just passed through. So, figure we'll do a little walk around. See what Sual is all about. So it is Christmas season, as you can see. And this is their tree. Much like every other town, city, they all have their tree set up, usually in the central part of town, right in the middle of town. And that's kind of where we're at right now in Sual. We're pretty much smack dab in the middle. So we'll get out here and do a little walking around. Okay. Yeah, nice little town. We're kind of like, I guess, you know, I would almost say Sual is in a valley.
Yeah. You can see the mountains.
Yeah, we're right. I mean, if you watch the motovlog of us coming into Sual from Alaminos, we're coming down a pretty steep grade out of the mountains, or out of the hills. I don't know if you want, yeah, I don't know if you really want to call them mountains, but they're definitely large hills. When we get down in here, as soon as we get, hold on. As soon as we get down to the bottom of the hill, you're in Sual. So we're, I guess you could say we're at the foot of the hills in the valley. So I wonder how they do with flooding in this town. That would be my first concern if I was to ever live in an area like this.
Second-hand stores here.
And they have second-hand stores. I just love those second-hand stores. I tell you, I probably got about 15 pairs of shorts just from them, just from these stores.
Big shorts.
Yeah.
Big shorts.
All right, so what we're doing here is we're just kind of walking to the west end of town, and then we're gonna get on the other side and walk down.
Okay.
Yeah, we can cross over, I guess. And now we're started. I gotta get up over your head so I can actually see what's going on. So here we are at the west end of town. A bunch of secondhand shops, which I see some nice shorts up there. But good Lord, I don't think I can, we'd have to stuff them in the bag. Look at those. Look at those cute little shorts there, huh? Cute. It's not a word I usually keep in my vocabulary. Anyways.
I want to check the store.
Okay, I guess we're gonna do some shopping here real quick. Okay, we're supposed to be here sightseeing, and we're shopping in these second-hand stores. Gotta stay away from these places, and they're like, well, it's like going to a garage sale back in the States, you know. It's like, oh wow, let's see what they have. That's exactly what it's like in these second-hand stores. So, well, because it's so hard to find. I don't. Well, not so much for Eden, but for me, it's hard to find my size in the department stores. So you kind of have to rely on these second-hand stores. which have really been serving me well, actually. I've been finding some pretty sweet stuff in there. So, anyways, back to sightseeing. Here we go. Sual, Pangasinan, Philippines. So, it's just a gorgeous ride coming out here from Alaminos. And I'm looking forward to the trip back, actually. But first we're gonna check out the town. I guess that's the park where we were when we first started out. The central part of town. Hello, sir. Hello. Kind of a little market area.
This is the public market.
This is the public market. Does it go back inside, or is it just...
There's the entrance and the...
Oh, okay. So kind of looking back around. Yeah, nice little town. I like it. Got an upper floor up there, upper deck. Probably restaurants. I don't know. We'll look. We'll get over to the other side and see. Aim the camera over here and see what exactly is up there. So, yep. Nice looking vegetables and fruit. Cool. What? Oh, on the, yeah. Pretty sweet. Hello. Huh. Yep, our scooter's still there. That's always a good thing. A little bit. Oh wow, yeah. What do we have out there, an old ship? Yeah, let's... Doesn't take long to walk from one end of this town to the other. It's a very quaint little town. Yep. You asked me to check the weather when we were in the house, and guess what I did not do? So let's walk up to where we started this journey, and yeah, let's just take a quick walk up here. kind of finish up where we started. So there's that second deck up there above the market where we weren't really sure what was up there. So yeah, it looks like just more shops. More shops. Something salon. Cafe, photo printing. I mean, it would be a great place to have a big restaurant where people could sit outside and eat, but I'm not seeing that up there. So, at any rate, that's pretty much it. Okay, well, welcome to Sual, and thanks for joining us on this little journey through town, and we will catch up with you later. Thanks guys, appreciate you watching. All right, take care, bye-bye.